Meet Arisha, a happy 5-year-old girl who fills her home with giggles and love. She loves playing with her colorful blocks and drawing pictures with crayons. Most of the time, she's a sweet little girl who makes everyone smile. But sometimes, like all children, she forgets to be nice to others. Let's see what happens when Arisha learns about being kind. One morning, while Arisha was building a tall tower with her blocks, something happened. Her little brother came running by and bumped into her tower, making all the blocks fall down. Instead of remembering that it was just an accident, Arisha got very upset. She yelled, "Go away," at her brother and wouldn't let him help pick up the blocks. Her brother started crying and said sorry many times, but Arisha was too angry to listen. Arisha's mommy saw what happened and sat next to her on the floor. She gave Arisha a gentle hug and told her about something special that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us. "Sweet Arisha," Mommy said, "our dear Prophet told us that if we want others to be nice to us, we need to be nice to them first. When we're kind to others, Allah is happy with us." The next day at preschool, Arisha was running in the playground when she stumbled and fell. Her knee got a little scrape and it hurt. She sat on the ground feeling sad as her friends kept playing, not noticing that she was hurt. Nobody came to ask if she was okay or help her stand up. This made Arisha think about how her brother must have felt when she wasn't nice to him. As Arisha sat there with her sore knee, she remembered what Mommy told her about being kind. She didn't like feeling alone when she was hurt, and now she understood that her brother probably felt the same way when she yelled at him. The words Mommy shared about being nice to others started to make more sense. Later that day, Arisha saw a little girl in her class drop her snack box during playtime. Without thinking twice, Arisha walked over to help pick up the scattered crackers. She shared some of her own snack with the girl, and they both smiled. Being helpful made Arisha feel warm and happy inside, like getting a big hug. When Arisha got home, she knew just what to do. She found her little brother and gave him the biggest hug she could. "I'm sorry I was mean," she said softly. Then she asked if he wanted to build a block tower together. His face lit up like a bright star, and they spent the whole afternoon building towers and knocking them down, giggling together. On Saturday, Arisha learned another way to be kind when she helped Mommy feed the kitties that lived near their house. Mommy explained that Allah wants us to be nice to all the animals too. Arisha loved watching the kitties eat their food, and she felt happy knowing she was helping take care of Allah's little creatures. As Arisha kept being kind to everyone, she noticed something magical happening. Her friends at preschool started sharing their crayons with her, helping her put on her jacket for outside time, and always asking her to join their games. She learned that when she was nice to others, they wanted to be nice to her too. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us something very special. When we're kind to others, others will be kind to us too. Little Arisha learned that being nice makes everyone happy. Herself, her family, her friends, and even the kitties. When we're kind, it's like spreading sparkles of happiness everywhere. Let's all try to be like Arisha and share kindness wherever we go.